Okay, you guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you all how to make a postpartum or postnatal basket for a mom. I'm getting ready to go to a baby shower tomorrow, and this is the idea that I had for a gift, a postpartum basket. And the reason why I want to do this is because very often, most of the time at baby showers, people shower the mom with gifts for the baby. They get diapers and wipes and bath stuff for the baby and all kinds of stuff, but sometimes we forget about the mom. So I was like, let me do something different with this baby shower, and I'm going to put together a basket that is totally just for mom. I got all kinds of goodies. Excuse my background, like this is a very impromptu video, so yeah. The basket looks way better in person, and there's my little note I got on there, but this is what it looks like. And yeah, I'm gonna show you all the things that I put in the bag, just a lot of things that I thought would be extremely helpful for someone who is about to have a baby, and like the after effect after all of the, you know, the labor and delivery and all that. These are things that I thought would be very useful to her. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into it and show you guys what's in this basket. And I promise you it looks so much better in person, but my light is horrible. It's like 8 o'clock at night, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got in here. Okay, you guys, so this is a quick overview of the things that I'm going to put in the postpartum bag. Should I say postnatal or postpartum? Whatever, post-delivery bag for the mom. These are all of the things that I'm going to put in my little basket. And this is the basket that I'm going to be using. It's not very big. Now that I got all of this stuff, I wish I would have gotten a bigger little basket, but this will do. This is just a basket that I got from Dollar Tree for $1. And let me go down really quickly and show you what I got. I got a card. This says boy oh boy, and it has little writings in here, and I'm going to put my own message in there, quick and to the point. This is some lavender scented Epsom salt, and it says sleep aid, but I just got it because it's lavender scented, and I'm kind of biased because this is my favorite scent. So hopefully she likes it too, because I know when you take a bath when you're a new mom, like that first bath is so relaxing and so refreshing. So yeah, hopefully she likes this. I got some Palmer's cocoa butter moisturizing body oil. I thought this would come in handy for her belly, and just in case she gets stretch marks or whatever. I don't trip off stretch marks because shoot, you just brought a life into the world. Your body just did something amazing. So yeah, just something to help her feel moisturized and soothing. I also got this Mango Kiss vanilla honey lip balm, and it's by Eco Lips, and this is something that I just thought would come in handy, that she can throw in her diaper bag or her purse, or you know, some women carry their diaper bags as their purses like I did. So hopefully this comes in handy, or when she's in labor, you know, just in case her lips get chapped or something, she has this. This is something I wish I had with me when I was in the hospital. I didn't have any of this stuff, but yeah, hopefully this comes in handy. Also got her these little Advil tablets. It's just the mini container of them, because obviously you might be in a little bit of pain after having a baby, you know, from the waist down or the waist up or your head, because your body is trying to adjust to a different norm. So hopefully this comes in handy for her. Chocolate, because chocolate solves everything. And I also found these this is like the Walmart Equate brand. I use these are the menthol pain relieving patches, and it says it's for backache, neck, shoulder, and I do use these. I got it in extra large, you know, so it can fit around her whole back. I got her 2 packs of these because, you know, just in case you have contractions and you feel it in your back, you know, after you're pushing that baby out, your whole body is probably going to be hurting. Well, mine was for like a good 2 days. So I thought that these would be useful just in case she has back pains or if she starts cramping. I also found this eye mask thing. The directions say that you can put it in a refrigerator or the freezer for no more than like 45 minutes, and you put it on your eyes, and it's supposed to help relieve the puffiness and the darkness of your eyes from lack of sleep. And obviously after you have a baby, you don't sleep that much because you have to feed them like every 2 to 3 hours. So yeah, this helps reduce the puffiness and the dark circles under the eye, so that should be good. I also have a box of Kleenex. This is something that she can keep in her purse, or if she runs out somewhere, and like if she gets emotional or something, or she can keep it in the diaper bag. Yeah, just a pack of 3, and this was like 98 cents. And I also found these super inexpensive Freeman facial mask, and I was like, oh my goodness, I wish I would have had these like right after I had my daughter. But I got her 2 different kinds. This is the hydrating water gel mask, and it looks like that. And I also got her this one. Is called the, oh, let it focus, the anti-stress clay mask. So I got her 2 of these. These were like $1.47, very inexpensive, and this is just something to help her relax and to feel, you know, human again, and less stress. So hopefully she enjoys these. I keep saying hopefully she enjoys these, or hopefully it comes in handy. I really want her to like it, but you get the idea. And I also found this. I love the smell of eucalyptus. It's so soothing, and this is just a little candle that I thought that she can light in her room when she just wants to relax or take a nap or just unwind or stretch or journal or get her mind right or whatever, just because eucalyptus has a very relaxing, soothing, calming smell to it. So yeah, I thought this would be extremely useful for her. It's very little. It fits in the palm of my hand, but you can smell it without even lighting it. But yeah, hopefully she likes it. I also found this cute little owl decorated hand sanitizer, and this is what is this, pomegranate? Yeah, and I just thought it was really cute, something that she can attach to her diaper bag or her purse, because you always want to be clean after you have a baby. So if she can't wash her hands right away, she can just squeeze some hand sanitizer on her hand and get to feeding the baby or whatever it is that she needs to do, because we're not always near a sink, so you can never have too much hand sanitizer after you have a baby. Like, I used to keep mine on my purse, in the diaper bag, on my hip. Like, I had hand sanitizer everywhere. So yeah, can't get enough hand sanitizer. This pack of gum, because during labor sometimes they let you chew on hard candy or chew gum just to have some kind of sugar in your body to give you energy while you're in labor, or when she's just at home chilling and or breastfeeding or something, and she needs to pop a piece of gum or candy in her mouth. I thought this would be useful to keep like in her pocket or in a purse or in a diaper bag or whatever. So yeah, just something to, just like a little chewy snack or whatever for the mom. In her baby shower invitation, she asked, instead of everyone getting cards, that everyone gets the baby a book. So I got these 2 books. These are 2 of the first books that I read to my daughter, that I got for her: Eyes, Nose, Fingers and Toes, and Nighty Night. And this is just the Sesame Street version of it. And they're really cool little books, and now my daughter knows how to read them all by herself. So I think these are good little starter books to have. And yeah, so mom's wishes to bring books instead of cards. I still got a card, but I honored her wishes and got books too. So yeah, you guys, this is everything that I'm about to put in the bag for the mom. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys, and hopefully the next baby shower you go to, that you'll incorporate a gift that is specifically for the mom, because that makes people feel very good. I hope. I just like, now that I look back on it, I wish someone had done this for me, like put together a little postpartum basket. So yeah, I hope you guys got some good ideas from this video, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.